It's Country House Party's new music from Nashville.
New country now.
Here's another one straight out of...
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for central Dutchess County in east central New York, southeastern Ulster County in east central New York until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Poughkeepsie, Hyde Park, Milton, Plattekill, Pleasant Valley, Highland, Millbrook, Red Oaks Mill, Fairview, Myers Corner, Marlborough, Modena, Lloyd, McDonald Heights, Colonial Heights, Rochdale, Arlington, Manchester Bridge, Clark Heights, and Titusville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.